I think augmented reality is here to stay. Hi, I'm Jonathan Yeo, and I'm experimenting with new technologies when making art. Having met the Snapchat people and really liked the synergy and the overlap, Snap is very face orientated. And of course, that's what, a field portrait should always does or should do. So this idea has been a long time coming. It's been a sort of idea in the back of my head for several years. Obviously, it needed some breakthrough technology like the spectacles to deliver it properly. And I'm really interested to see how people react, but I think there should be multiple things to surprise and delight people. And I think some people will be really blown away by the technology, if not the artwork. The experience will include several of my favorite paintings over the years. The first one is a self-portrait. The second painting is of Cara Delevingne. There was also for me a logic of having her in the exhibition because she was the first person who showed me Snapchat. This was really about 2013, 2014. The idea of the audience becoming part of the artwork is something which you can never normally do in a portrait exhibition, and hopefully it makes people think a bit differently about their relationship with the art, about identity, and about what portraiture is. I think there's this fascination between bridging the gap between the real world and the world of the artwork, and this is the first time really being able to cross it by literally putting people in the artwork. And this technology, it's something which will evolve in a really interesting way and hopefully complement existing exhibitions, but also create the opportunity for artists to do exciting new things as well. And I think that's what is uniquely interesting and powerful about spectacles and this type of technology. You have a lot of the benefits of being able to make magic things happen, but you still feel you're in the real world, and because of that, it seems even more extraordinary and magical. And I think that's what's really interesting. And I think the potential there to create a sort of more powerful emotional response in people of any kind, I think is going to be very noticeable, and I think that's something which hopefully a lot of the people coming to see this exhibition won't have had this experience before. I think this will be amazed and excited by the potential of the spectacles.